It is my bike check. Starting off with my bars, Eastern Wonder Years, 8.5s, black. Shadow Attack stem, in black. Fly Tierra 2 forks, in earth brown. Primo hub, laced to a Alienation rim. Hoffman Loyalty frame. And then in the back, we got a Medusa sprocket down there. A profile, bottom bracket. Eastern cranks. Don't even remember what kind they are. The new Shadow pedals. Kind of crazy colored. Black, gray, white, green. In the back, Alienation Black Sheep rim, laced to a Primo mix cassette. And then kink pivotal with a McNeil stump pivotal post. Eastern integrated headset down there. And then the Odyssey Aaron Ross grips. Yep. 8 back tire, some Kenda front tire. And that's my bike check.